but it should be entered prayerfully and reverently. The genuine love for that woman will bind you together forever. These were the thoughts of Brother William Marion Branham about marriage.
The Lord God said in His word, "It is not good for a man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him." This helper will be called woman, because she was taken out of the man. For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and they will become one flesh.
Brothers and sisters in the Lord, this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad with Brother Vaughn and Sister Regine in the celebration of their everlasting love as we witness the exchange of their marriage vows in the holy union of matrimony before God.
Kahit san man maparating, hanap pa rin ay iyong lambing. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa'yo pa rin uuwi. Palagi.
Congrats, Brother Bon, to your next journey. Brother Bon!
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo.
Ezra.
Ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Bon, hindi na ako makapaghintay na makita ka mamaya.
Nais kong malaman mo,
Nasaan ka na?
iyo ako.
It's your day. Regine, di na ako mapagkatay na makita.
I thank God for His boundless grace and love. It is through His divine guidance and blessing that we stand here today, united in this sacred moment, ready to become husband and wife. As we stand before God and our loved ones, I still remember how our love story began with such clarity and warmth. It was April 8, 2021. Yan yung date kung kailan bumili ako ng milk tea sa isang shop. Then suddenly, tinanong ako ng may-ari kung single daw ba ako. And I answered, opo.
Kung bibigyan niyo po ako ng babaeng makakasama sa panghabang buhay, Lord, sana bigyan mo po ako ng teacher or graduating edu. Nang sa ganon, may makatuwang akong magturo at maggabay sa pag-aaral ni Zay.
And then, sinabi niya na may single din daw siyang kapatid. Wala naman akong naging reaksyon, tahimik lang. Tapos nagpaalam si kuya na hiramin yung phone ko para i-add ka sa Facebook. Actually, clueless ako that time dahil first time ko lang na-encounter si kuya mo and hindi ako familiar sa kanya. I had no idea who you were at that moment, but the seeds of our love story were being planted.
Hiniling ko din kay Lord na sana active sa church, marunong sa Bible, active sa words of God. Dahil gusto ko sana may lapit niya pa kami laro kay Lord.
Magmula noong inaccept mo ang friend request ko, doon na tayo nagsimulang magkaroon ng conversation. At ang unang message mo ay, "Hi po." And ang reply ko naman ay, "Hello po."
At ang panghuli, saan tanggap niya ang anak ko si Leia. Regine, lahat ng hiniling ko kay Lord, nakita ko sa'yo. Alam kong ikaw ang gift ni Lord para sa akin na makasama sa panghabang buhay.
19 years old lang ako that time. And you were 29 years old. Kaya naman, Kuya Von ang tawag ko sa'yo. Di ko akalain na yung lalaking tinatawag ko lang na Kuya Von noon ay mapapangasawa ko na pala ngayon. Even though we had an age gap, I see how God blessed us dahil may mga tao siyang ginamit bilang instrumento para pagtagpuin tayo. From Manila to Anda, nag-take risk kang bumiyahe gamit yung motor mo without even knowing kung magiging worth it ba ang lahat. Grabe yung effort and dedication mo para lang ma-meet ang isa't isa. Una tayong nagkita noong May 29, 2021. It was brief but everything fell into place.
Iba talaga si Lord ng kumilos. Lumipas ang maraming taon, makalimutan man natin mga hiniling natin kay Lord, pero si Lord, kailanman hindi niya tayo kinalimutan. Regine, salamat at palagay mo akong sinusuportahan sa lahat ng plano at desisyon ko. Madalas mong ipaalala sa akin na lagi may purpose si Lord sa atin.
God's plan for us was never accidental. Dahil alam nating nakaplano na ang lahat bago pa man natin nakilala ang isa't isa. Our meeting was a testament on how beautiful things align by God's grace. At hindi nagtagal, niligawan mo ako and after how many months ay naging official tayo.
Ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin sa panghabang buhay. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Mahal na mahal kita, Regine.
With you by my side, I know that we can overcome any obstacle and embrace every joy. I pledge to nurture our relationship with love and patience, and to grow spiritually and emotionally. Von, simula sa araw na ito, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Andito ako palagi na handang umalalay sa'yo sa oras na kailangan mo. Pangako na ikaw na ang magiging priority ko at nangangako akong gagawin ko ang lahat ng best ko bilang asawa mo at bilang ina ng magiging mga anak natin. At sa pagkakataong ito, masasabi ko na ikaw lang ang lalaking gusto kong makasama sa habang buhay. At ikaw lang din ang lalaking gusto kong makasama sa bubuuin nating pamilya. I vow to build a life and family upon the solid foundation of God's love and grace. Tandaan mo palagi na pangakong mamahalin, iingatan at aalagaan kita sa araw-araw. Thank you for being my everything, for seeing me truly and for loving me so deeply. With you, I am complete. You are my everything, today and forever. And I will always love you forever and ever. I love you, Von. Andrea, ito para sa'yo.
Hoping I would find true love along the broken road.
But I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow and kept pushing through. I couldn't see how every side
Yamang ating nasaksihan ang dalawang nagmamahalan
that
at nagkasundo sa pagkakaisang loob sa banal at maluwalhating kalagayan ng pag-aasawa
Others who
na pinatutuhanan sa isa't isa sa harapan ng Diyos at sa ating lahat ang kanilang magandang hangarin sa pag-aasawa.
into your love.
Kung kaya, ako, si Pastor Robert Vintayen, at sa pamamagitan ng karapatan at kapangyarihan na ipinagkatiwala sa akin ng Diyos, kiss the bride. Wow.
I think about the years I spent just passing through. I'd like to have the time I lost and give it back to you.
But you just smile and take my hand. You've been there, you understand. It's all part of a grander plan.